Yep, I'm wandering around the trike. Sorry about that, folks. Anyway, just a quick hello. We are actually, Sherry and I are actually going to try to get out today. A little dirty, a little cool, but it's supposed to hit 46 to 48 around 2:30 to 3 o'clock. So we're going to take a brief opportunity to ride south down to an area that's known as the Flume pull-off, and we're going to come back from there. That will be in time warp to keep this brief. That's the way I typically do my tour videos now. We will be following Highway 141 in the westward direction out of Natarita, Colorado, through the Vancorum area into the area just into the Uravan area, and we'll go 2 to 3 miles past that and to the Flume pull-off, and we're going to take it from there. It's a gorgeous day, and I'm hoping we get a little bit of road time in. I hope everybody else can at least enjoy the ride that we're having, and if you're stuck in that awful weather out east, come ride along with us today. It is January 29th, I think it is. I'm not kidding. It's Saturday. And it is 2022. Thanks for watching. Peace. Bye now. Oh, my haircut. I got my ears lowered and I'm ready. Peace.